Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku.co daily analysis for the S&P 500 for the trading day ending Thursday, February 27th, 2014. Well, the buyers have come into this market strongly today, building some decent upside momentum and enabling a solid bullish close up above the 1850 level, a previous major high. Having said that, however, the buyers weren't strong enough to close up above the 1858 level, which is the current major high that was established 4 trading periods ago. But it certainly does seem as though with the momentum that they've begun for today's trading, that there is likely to be a test up to that level with today's trading. If we look at the previous 2 candles, an indecisive spinning top and an indecisive doji type candle that tested down to the top of that highlighted zone of support, and saw the sellers lose commitment down there, as we saw with today's trading as well, as evidenced by this shadow on the bottom of this candle. We also saw the market find support at the Tenkan-sen, and this highlights how the Ichimoku indicators can very often act as areas of support or resistance. And looking at the amount of solid upside momentum in this market, as evidenced in the short-term time frame, as evidenced by the sharp angle of the Tenkan-sen, the green line, that is an area where the market tends to find that initial solid support, and there's a very good opportunity here for the market to make a new all-time high if the buyers can continue with this upside momentum. They've actually closed with strong control of this market, and the trend is fairly well established in the second time frame as well as the first time frame. And I think these last 2 candles really says something about the inability of the sellers here to retrace this market, the lack of strength from the sellers. If we look at the recent past, we've only had a few black body candles, only one decent sized black body candles, and most of those, the others, very few of them, have been small bodies, and suggesting that there really isn't much strength here from the sellers. Now, if, however, the sellers do come into this market, then we have this large zone of support that extends down to about the 1830 level, and then the cloud down below there. But this market is bullish in all 3 time frames by trading above the cloud, above the Kijun-sen, the pink line, and the Tenkan-sen, and that's now being confirmed by the price action being below the Chikou span. So it's suggesting that there is some good solid upside momentum in that medium-term time frame and supporting the bullishness that we're seeing in all 3 time frames. Just one thing to watch out for here is the Kijun-sen pointing flat, and whilst that points flat, there is an opportunity for price action to be attracted back towards there. But the market has attempted to do that whilst the Kijun-sen has been flat, and this solid support down below where the market's trading at the moment has really ceased any ability of the market to retrace in any decent manner. So it's certainly looking quite strong for this market, with the buyers coming back in. A very real possibility of the market testing at least 2 and perhaps even beyond the 1858 level.